As whispers spread across the European automotive press, it seems that Dacia is preparing to reimagine its family-centric Lodgy for 2026 with an unexpected level of sophistication. Once regarded as a purely practical MPV, the Lodgy now appears set to evolve into something far more aspirational. Reports suggest that Renault's low-cost division is determined to prove that affordability need not mean austerity, a sentiment that's resonating strongly in a post-electric transition Europe. Design insiders hint that the new Lodgy could adopt Dacia's latest design language, combining rugged charm with a refined futuristic edge. Expect sharper body lines, a more athletic stance, and lighting signatures inspired by concept cars rather than budget runabouts. Spy images, or at least digital renderings circulating online, show a dynamic silhouette with a sloping roofline and bold alloy wheels, giving the Lodgy an unexpectedly premium aura. It's not just a car for large families anymore. It's shaping up to be a statement of modern European sensibility. Technologically, the 2026 Lodgy is rumored to feature a mild hybrid or full hybrid system derived from Renault's e-tech platform. This aligns with Dacia's ongoing mission to balance efficiency with reliability, offering electrified performance without intimidating complexity. Inside, speculation points to an infotainment overhaul, a large floating touchscreen, integrated connectivity, and driver assist features that rival more expensive Marques. Dacia seems poised to bridge the gap between function and innovation, a rare feat in its segment. One intriguing aspect of the speculation concerns Dacia's approach to sustainability. The brand has been outspoken about its eco-conscious manufacturing methods, and the Lodgy may embody that ethos more than ever. Expect recycled materials, simplified production processes, and perhaps even a modular interior design philosophy inspired by Scandinavian practicality, but interpreted through an Eastern European lens. If true, this would mark a bold new chapter for Dacia's design philosophy. From a cultural standpoint, the reimagined Lodgy could symbolize the maturing of the Dacia brand in Western Europe. What was once seen as a bargain bin choice may now become an emblem of clever value, the sort of quiet confidence appreciated by pragmatic British families who desire sophistication without showiness. It's the kind of shift that echoes how Skoda transformed its reputation 2 decades ago, only now with a distinctly modern and digital twist. While official confirmation remains pending, the anticipation surrounding the 2026 Dacia Lodgy illustrates how far the brand has come. If even half of these rumors prove true, Dacia may deliver not only its most technologically advanced vehicle yet, but also redefine what a budget car can mean in the 21st century. The Lodgy's renaissance could well become a testament to Europe's evolving automotive culture, one that prizes innovation, understatement, and authenticity in equal measure.